This is Rivet's MooTube. It's pretty gross, but she really likes it, as you can see. You want this? Do you? Yeah, you do. You're tricky. You're tricky. You're tricky. Oh man, that's good stuff. That is good stuff. Oh wow, that's good. I like that. Wow, Rivet, you're really going to town on that, aren't you? Hmm? Do you want to hold it? Hmm? Yeah, you do? Okay, here you go. Here you go. You can have it. Yeah, you're happy now? Hmm? There you go. Mmm. That's just so gross that it's gotta be delicious. Hey, Rivet. You like it? Is it good? Oh, that's good crunching. Oh, that's good. Yummy. Mmm. Alright, I'll let you hold it now, okay? There you go. Mmm.